So going.
Right, so whenever we start, the only information we need is the program counter. Okay, a value. Remember, the program counter tells us where the next instruction in memory is located that we're going to execute. Alright? So the first step in the fetch execute cycle is to select that memory location. So we copy the program counter to the memory address register. That has now selected that location in memory. Remember, that's the purpose of the memory address. Are you boxing, Risaki?
No.
You look like you're doing boxing.
That's saved forever.
That's not saved forever on the YouTube. This is my videos all over. Right, so the memory address register selects whatever values. Oh no. No, oh, chuff me. Everybody out.